So a typical problem for family businesses is the feeling that a member of the family does not put in the same hours or amount of effort into the business as other family members. So you need to be sure, you want to be sure that you leave nothing to chance when you pass your business on to the next generation. Easier perhaps to explain by way of an example. So this is an example of a business owner who became a minority shareholder in his own company without realising it has happened. Now this was a hugely successful family business, and the founder had children and decided, I have to say without previously taking advice, to give shares to his children when they were young. And you know, he's thinking about his children and wanting to secure their future, and also he was thinking about the tax advantages at that time. But of course time went on and events rather took over, and sadly his wife died young. There wasn't a proper will in place and other documentation, and half her shares went to the children and half to the husband. So this resulted in the owner of this business being a minority shareholder in his own company, which is quite unbelievable really. Time passed and he remarried, but unfortunately the relationship between his children and their new stepmother was not a good one. The years passed, the children became involved in the family business, and the eldest son had high expectations of his status from day one, insisting that he work at head office and not be out on the road learning the ropes from the bottom up. And the other brothers also joined in the business, but there was then tensions between the siblings and the father. And those tensions increased, and unbelievably this culminated in the son trying to oust his father from the business which the father had founded, which is a terrible state of affairs. Now lots of businesses are husband and wife owned, but marriages can be difficult, and the wife or husband could unexpectedly die. And this story may be an extreme example, but it is an example of how things can go wrong, and they do go wrong. So passing on the family business can be carried out in a number of ways that can protect your family and your business, and done at the right time and in the right way and a fair way for you and the family. And if you want to talk through some of those thoughts, I'm always happy to have a free, no obligation chat, and people can email or call me. Thank you.